In Kendall, protecting your home from hurricane-force winds and tropical storms is a top priority. But beyond safeguarding your property and loved ones, installing hurricane windows can significantly increase your home's value. For homeowners looking to enhance comfort, safety, and long-term return on investment, hurricane windows offer a powerful combination of benefits that appeal to both current residents and future buyers. Here's how hurricane windows can elevate your Kendall home's value while providing year-round advantages. Enhanced storm protection adds buyer confidence. Kendall homeowners are no strangers to hurricane season. Impact-resistant hurricane windows are specifically engineered to withstand high winds and flying debris, helping protect homes during severe weather events. This level of protection is highly attractive to potential buyers, who prioritize safety and preparedness when purchasing property in South Florida. Hurricane windows feature laminated glass bonded with a durable interlayer, preventing the glass from shattering upon impact. Even if the glass cracks, it remains intact, maintaining the structural integrity of the home. This advanced protection reassures buyers and increases the overall desirability of your property. Lower insurance premiums and financial incentives. One of the most compelling financial benefits of hurricane windows is the potential reduction in homeowners' insurance premiums. Many insurance providers in Florida offer discounts for homes equipped with impact-resistant windows because they reduce the risk of storm-related damage. For prospective buyers, the promise of lower insurance costs is a major selling point. It not only makes your home more affordable to own but also highlights the long-term financial advantages of purchasing a hurricane-ready property. Improved energy efficiency and comfort. Hurricane windows are designed with energy-efficient features that enhance indoor comfort while reducing utility costs. Double-pane insulated glass, low-E coatings, and airtight seals help regulate indoor temperatures by minimizing heat transfer and air infiltration. In Kendall's warm climate, this translates to low cooling costs, reduced strain on HVAC systems, consistent indoor temperatures year-round. Energy efficiency is a top priority for modern home buyers, making hurricane windows an upgrade that adds both practical value and market appeal. Increased security and peace of mind. Beyond storm protection, hurricane windows also enhance home security. Their impact-resistant laminated glass and reinforced frames make them significantly more difficult to break than standard windows. This added security deters potential intruders and provides homeowners with greater peace of mind. For buyers seeking a safe and secure environment, hurricane windows serve as a valuable feature that strengthens your home's overall appeal. Enhanced curb appeal and modern aesthetics. Today's hurricane windows are available in a variety of styles, finishes, and frame materials to complement different architectural designs. Whether your Kendall home features a contemporary look or a more traditional style, modern hurricane windows can enhance its exterior appearance. Large, clear glass panels improve natural light and create a polished, updated look that boosts curb appeal. A well-maintained, visually appealing home often commands a higher resale value and attracts more buyer interest. Long-term durability and low-maintenance. Hurricane windows are built to withstand harsh environmental conditions, including intense sun exposure, humidity, and salt air. Their durable construction reduces the likelihood of warping, corrosion, and weather-related damage, minimizing maintenance needs over time. Buyers appreciate low-maintenance features that reduce future upkeep costs. This durability adds long-term value and makes your home a more attractive investment. Compliance with building codes and market expectations. Florida's strict building codes emphasize storm preparedness, and homes equipped with hurricane windows often meet or exceed these requirements. Properties that comply with current building standards are more appealing to buyers and may sell more quickly in competitive markets. In Kendall's real estate landscape, hurricane protection features are not just desirable, they are often expected. Installing hurricane windows ensures your home aligns with modern buyer expectations and market trends. A smart investment for Kendall homeowners. Upgrading to hurricane windows is more than a safety measure, it's a strategic investment in your home's future. From improved energy efficiency and enhanced security to reduced insurance costs and increased curb appeal, the benefits extend far beyond storm protection. For Kendall homeowners looking to maximize property value while enjoying year-round comfort and peace of mind, Hurricane Windows offer an ideal solution. By investing in this high-performance upgrade, you not only protect your home today but also position it for greater value and appeal in the years to come.